ka Ïing Dorbar Thawain ka jala megalia hak santrik jeliu kala simenta lang hak jingrakhe shitlu ku pathai ya kasni penne mariang ne ka wall environment die da ka bathung die nga phalau ba saudong saukun jong ka office trek kam hak dailan u lamphang ka Ïing Dorbar Thawain ba mer baling do ulapun pau ba kumkini ki program ba kerpang man penne pensai ka mai mariang kidai bandang ye peteng.
Concerning about the role that what each and every one of us has to play in observing this day as the World Environment Day. So today we have contributed to the environment, the nature, by planting a few number of trees. It is just because of this lockdown and all that we cannot do it in a very big scale. But however, I look forward that every year we should have this kind of special program to ensure that we have the greeneries around us, which are part of our life, that we are using it, as long as we are here in this world. So therefore, we will ensure that in the years to come, the same should be continued. And if you remember, last year we started with that same kind of program in this campus only, and I was very happy to see that those trees that we have planted last year has come up very fast, and we will continue it and ensure that we contribute to the nature back for whatever we have taken from it, during the entire life of us.